Welcome to FastLane, your gateway to the future of automotive innovation in the 90 seconds. The automobile industry is undergoing substantial change thanks to the development of artificial intelligence, paving the way for eco-friendly electric cars and autonomous driving systems. 5G connectivity is a significant breakthrough since it allows real-time data sharing and improves driving with seamless connectivity. AI-powered streamlines advancing methods in the automobile industry, offering data-driven insights that raise conversion rates and cut expenses, detecting traffic behavior, predicting potential dangers, ensuring safe driving and reducing accident risks, personalizing preferences and building up configurations based on personal driving experience. The cockpit domain controller, a central hub integrating all in-car systems to create a seamless driving experience, is the heart of this innovation. With AI-powered technology, CDC can bring the whole world to your fingertips, making every journey smoother and safer. Special features like ADAS help constantly monitor and react to potential problems by analyzing data from sensors and cameras, and assisting drivers with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and emergency brakes. And no more boring trips while you can have a conversation with your car and get real-time assistance and information, all with the help of the integrated ChatGPT inside CDC. AI now is more than just a roadside companion. It is also redefining vehicle and propelling us towards a safer, smarter, and more interconnected future. Stay tuned for more insights into the automotive industry's exciting advancements.